Kachi, you really need to stop this. Aren't you tired? Aren't you tired of pestering my life? Aren't you tired of following me around? What is this?
I'm not here to see you, Uju. I came to see Mercy. I tried to reach her on the phone, but it wasn't going through, so I had to come myself.
Well, as you can see, Mercy is not around. So can you leave?
Yeah, I will. I'll leave. But first, I wanted to ask you this. Are you aware I was admitted at the hospital? But you didn't think it was important to check up on me? Are things this bad between us?
Kachi, what is this? I thought you said you're not here to see me. So why then are you asking me this question?
Yes, because I want to know why you hate me so much.
Can you go? Look, I am expecting someone. And I do not want the person to meet you here.
Who? My replacement? The one who bought my house for you?
Who told you that? Hey, baby. Oh, you're outside. Oh, yes, I'm coming out now. I'll see you soon. Bye. Kachi,
yeah.
You really need to go now. Someone is outside to see me.
Him? Is that why you're doing this?
Doing what?
Because of him?
Kachi, I do not want to push you out. And I do not want to insult you. So just gently, kindly leave. This is just a waste of time. If you like, stay here. Stay here as long as you want.
Listen, just hear me out.
What is wrong? Why are you embarrassing
You need to
me?
hear me out.
You are embarrassing me.
Listen. Hear me out and I'll never disturb you again, I promise you.
Just say whatever it is for whoever cares. Just say whatever it is for who cares. Because I obviously don't need it. Can you just let me be? Hi, baby.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm
Is
fine.
he troubling you? Who is he? Who are you?
He's my company's former driver. I mean, this guy stopped working at the company without letting anybody know. And now he's back here after 6 months begging me for money. I mean, what does he want me to do?
Oh my love, how could you do this to me? You left me when I needed you most. I thought you loved me. Why? You forgot all the good times, the love we shared. Why?
I'm surprised at you. Excuse you. Am I Uju that accepted the prince guy? How is this my problem?
Of course, I know you're not Uju. And you are Ebere. The Ebere I know would talk Uju into doing what she did.
Wow! Bravo! So Uju is now a baby that I Ebere will need to talk her into doing things before she does. Really? Haven't you been dramatic now?
Am I?
Yes, you are. Listen, young lady. The last time I checked, Uju was an adult and she has every right to fall in and out of any relationship with any man.
Come on, Ebere.
So why pin it on me?
Come on, Ebere. Kachi is your friend. Kachi is our friend. And by the virtue of being our friend's fiancé, you don't have to support her in turning her back on him. That's so cruel.
Mercy, I don't understand your headache here. You took a pauper as a boyfriend and you expect others to do the same? Are you a joy killer? Let me ask you this question.
Ebere, this is really bad. No matter how strong you try to defend your actions, it's not fair at all. What baffles me is how both of you managed to hide it from me. I still don't understand.
Oh my God. What's that?
Look, I don't like to see you in this kind of mood. What is it?
Babe, you won't understand. I was so close to that guy. I mean, when he stopped working there, I was really hurt. Even the manager was so upset with me because he thought I was aware he was leaving.
That guy looked familiar. I'm not really good with faces, but I think I know him from somewhere.
Where did you meet him?
Well, I am not sure. But look, never mind. Let me cheer you up. The container has arrived. It came with a consignment of stuff. Your vehicle is here.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. And by Monday, I will clear it. You will be the proud owner of a new vehicle.
Oh, baby, that is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, babe, I am so happy. But you know what? Let me reserve my excitement until I see the car, until they arrive.
Are you doubting me?
No, I'm not doubting you. I don't want to be so excited because I'm just going to blow up and, you know. So let me just calm down and wait for it to arrive.
This is the kind of mood I like to see.
Okay, I'm happy now.
You left me when I needed you most. I thought you loved me. Why? You forgot all the good times, the love we shared. Why?
Why are you looking at me that way? Why are you looking at me? I caught you.
Nothing, I was just looking. I was just looking.
Just looking.
Right.
Kachi, don't think that I don't understand what you're talking about. I do. But the thing is, I need more time. I need more time so I can know what I'm heading into or I'm going into. You know everything already.
Of course I do. And that's why I don't want to put pressure on you. I want you to understand my situation, and the truth is, you are an adult, and I strongly believe you shouldn't let anyone, or you shouldn't let anyone's opinion influence your decision, you know?
Yes. I'm an adult, yes. That is the more reason you have to give me time. Give me time, okay?
That's okay. That's fine.
For your mind.
We'll just wait for this cab.
Yeah.
We should be here anytime.
I need cold water. I'm tired. The sun is too hot. Please, both of you. I've been laughing since I'm tired. Vico, I'm tired.
This one you're tired. I hope your doctor is not stressing you.
Well, it's what I signed up for. Speaking of my doctor, do you know he gave me back the money I paid for your hospital bill?
Really?
Yes, he gave me back, oh. I was even surprised.
Wow, that's so nice. Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow. In that case, I need to thank him so much for what he has done.
You should, totally. Hey.
Hello? Yes? Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll be there shortly. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. No, I'm coming. Thank you.
This one, your beaming smiles. Is that good news?
Yes. So the man that collected my CV, he asked me to come. Yes. Run along before he changes his mind. I'll go. So I'll see you guys later. All right. Thank you.
All right.
Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.
Good luck. Look at him. See how he's fully recovered now. To think that I was worried for him, you know, him getting over his ex and all. Well, I'm happy for him.
Courtesy of you. Favor, you know, you're not just a medical nurse, but also an emotional and the moral boosting nurse. Posterity will be kind to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Come in.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
I have a package for you.
From who, please? Yeah, hi baby.
I'm sure you've seen my little love package.
Yes, and I also see flowers. So what's inside?
Why not check it out? It's there with you already, isn't it?
Oh baby, oh, this is so sweet.
You like it?
Of course I do. How did you know I was craving for this?
You're welcome, my love. I just wanted to spice up your day a bit. I'll see you when I return tomorrow.
I know, and I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to be in your warm arms again. I've really missed you. Please stay safe, okay? And I love you too. Bye.
Love one tinty.
Tell me, who wouldn't fall in love? I mean, this prince guy is so charming. He knows what to do at the right time. Like, how did he possibly know I was craving for this? And just so you know, I'm not sharing this with you.
So.
Save me.
What? It's for me. Wait, would you?
Remove your eyes from here.
I won't bring it.
Save me. I'm serious. You're not sharing this.
There's an extra spoon.
It was my boyfriend that gave this to me, so I'm
Are you
taking
kidding
this
me?
alone. No, I'm
Have
not
I forgotten
kidding
so
you.
soon? I need this.
No.
Emeka, you know you said you wanted to give me gist. Oh yeah, give me. I just remembered now.
Mrs. Amebo, just know they pass your ear.
Me? Look at this manager of Amebo and Associates is calling me Mrs. Amebo.
Me and Wolf associate.
Yes, and Associates. They are the gang leader.
I don't blame you.
Me gist, abeg.
Anyway, what I wanted to tell you is that the GF Automobile, they called again this morning.
Wow! That is good news. So, are you going?
Yes, I have decided to go this time, but I really hope it will not be like others.
Look, I know you've really had it with this whole investors, but I want you to go to this one with an open mind, with so much positivity. Because it's going to work. Yes. Okay? Got it. My guy.
Uju, you've been over the moon with this prince guy. I hope you've not forgotten how you almost ruined this because of your broke-ass nigger, Kachi. Don't you think I deserve some homage for being a good friend?
You sure do.
Okay.
And I appreciate you, my dear friend. But it wasn't like I was going to let the prince guy go. No. I just needed that little push, you know, just to make me feel like I'm doing the right thing. And you know I hate poverty. I can't stand poverty.
I know that, Uju, but then maybe I thought your love has suddenly gone blind, as some people would claim.
Hell no. See, as oil lubricates the engine, so does money lubricate love. That is to say, love does not exist without money.
There is quote.
So you know that. That reminds me, I've been really worried about Mercy. I mean, it looks like she's on a different page.
Exactly. Have you noticed lately that she's always speaking with a guy on the phone? Like,
a guy?
Of course, and she's keeping it a secret from us.
I wonder who that could be. Are you sure it's not maybe someone we know?
I don't think so. Maybe a broke guy, that's why she's probably keeping it a secret, to avoid tongue lashing. You know, Mercy, she has a thing with some broke niggas. I don't know what is actually her problem.
Well, that's too bad. Because Mercy, she's too beautiful and too big for all of this. Well, I wish her well, and I just hope it's our imagination.
It's no imagination. Mercy is just unbelievable.
Oh, that's sad. Really sad.
I just pray she upgrades soon.
I hope so too.
Please don't finish this ice cream.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine, but yeah, I understand. Don't argue, okay? Alright, darling. Good night. I love you. Night. Kisses.
Mercy, who's the guy you've been talking to lately? And you've refused to introduce him to us. So tell me, when are we meeting him?
Don't worry, darling. In due time, you will meet him.
He must be a Joshua then.
Whoa. Really?
Yes, really.
At least he's a Christian rat that goes to church. Good night. Santa Wewe.
Addicted to poverty.
Christian rat.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. She is such an angel. I think I have finally found the one. Yeah, I have. I have. I have. She's the one. Yes, she is.
It's good to see you.
I couldn't contain the joy, like over the phone. And the hospital, the nurses thought I was going crazy. I was just screaming. Hey, Emeka, this is you. Look at your car.
Yeah, it's me.
Ah.
You won't believe it. It's just like a magic. You know, the company called me on a Zoom meeting with their partner in France. And they told me that the battery is one of a kind.
Aww.
And guess what? They offered me partnership and with the sum of $200,000.
God! You know God knows how to save the best for the last.
I'm telling you.
You know, the money you're mentioning is just sounding like it's not true.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, the innovation worth more than that. If not that they agreed for me to partner with them, trust me, I would have rejected the offer.
Whatever, Emeka, rejected what? The most important thing is that at least they met your expectations. Look at you now. Look at you. Hey, you look so good. Oh my God. Come here.
Mercy, you are here. Do you know I have been looking for you all over the place? What's the problem? Why are you here? I mean, you don't look happy. What is it?
Uju, honestly, I'm not fine.
Why?
I feel so sad to be here, knowing that this was Kachi's house. Why are you laughing?
Is that the problem?
Yes.
Look, yes, I know. Kachi was my fiance. And if anyone should feel bad, it should be me and not you.
Really?
Yes.
Kachi is also my friend.
But he was my fiance. Okay? So girl, you need to stop feeling guilty and come, let's go have fun inside. I mean, there's so much fun in there. And I wouldn't leave you here alone. Nothing to worry about. I'm giving a smile. I'll beat you. You will. Come here. Let's go.
Babe, Uju's boyfriend is hosting a house party. Are you not going? You heard me.
What? What did you say? Oh! I have an appointment. I have to catch up. I may come later.
What a lame excuse.
This is not an excuse. I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
What is even your problem? Your own is appointments here and there. Are you not tired? Eh? Who knows the married man you're going to see this time around? My own is that they should not pursue you and enter this house. Anything you're doing, better do it at that gate. Eh? Don't enter this house.
Wait. Nami de lamba. Nami de lamba. There's one thing you don't know about this life. Every appointment I have brings money. You have to understand this thing. And there's no two ways about it. Whether a married man or single man that I go out there to meet, so long as an appointment, it brings money. Money is money.
Continue to the thief people's husband. Any husband who you see, thief him. Soon, one day, they will hang tie on your neck and do girl sewing for you.
You don't get sense.
Okay.
Hello everybody, welcome again. I just want to take this opportunity to welcome all of you. Thank you for being here. For the fact that you are here today, it means you are a special person in my life to this gathering. And once again, let me apologize for the inconvenience I may have caused, knowing that this gathering was a little impromptu. It was quite sudden, but I'm glad you made it. Thank you for being here.
You're welcome.
Right. So before we proceed, I want you to help me welcome someone who is so dear to me. Someone I respect very much. Someone who is a friend. And my boss at the same time. Please help me welcome Kachi Ofoebu.
Can we stand up, please? Thank you.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
After my father lost everything, my mother's attitude towards him changed. She began to disrespect him. She began to treat him very bad. To cut a long story short, she cheated on him. Eventually, she eloped and abandoned us. She obviously, ran away with one of her numerous boyfriends. My father got heartbroken and he died. But before my father died, he advised me. He said, "Son, you must make the right choice when it is time for you to pick a wife. Because you must not end up like me." When I met Uju, I was so in love with her. I gave her everything. But then, I remembered my father's kind words to me. So I decided to come up with an experiment. In other words, I decided to experiment my late father's ordeal. I told my friend and my assistant. I told him to play rich while I do the opposite.
Kachi, you used me for an experiment? You?
Uju, you failed. You hurt me so bad. But I must say thank you. Because that wicked behavior of yours that reminded me of how my late mother treated my father led the way for the right person into my life. You know, I was so surprised when you heard I was hospitalized, but you never cared. But guess what? I was never sick. It was all a prank.
women will always be women.
Wait. I want to understand. Is Emeka part of this too?
Oh, no. Emeka isn't part of it. I actually met him through Nurse Favor. I'm sure everyone is wondering what they're doing here. So I told them that I had met an old friend who's throwing a house party. So I wanted them to attend. So that's why they're here. You see, Emeka here is a rich man today. But what he does not know is I am one of the biggest shareholders in the company that bought his innovation. In fact, I spoke to them on his behalf. Uju, you remind me of my mother. You remind me of how my father cried and died because of how my mother treated him. However, it is not right for me to assume all women are the same. So I must thank you for treating me so bad, for breaking my heart. You know what that did for me? It brought the right woman into my life. I'll reiterate myself. Before everyone here present, would you please do me the honor of becoming my wife?
I fell in love with you a very long time ago. But your obsession over your ex made me feel this would never work. Kachi, you're a good man. You're enough. So yes.
Oh guys, sorry I didn't tell you. She is 7 feet tall.
You are indeed a blessing to my life. You believed in my dreams, even against all odds. Though we separated, and I understood your reasons, but I never stopped loving you. With the help of Kachi and Nosfivo, we came back together. Even though things were still rough, but we decided to keep it a secret for the time being. We're already engaged. But today, I want to reassure you that the rest of the year will be nothing but joy and happiness. I love you, my angel.
I love you too, Emi.
Wow.
Hey guys, there's a lot to drink and a lot to eat.
Property, am I free to
my heart's desire, what I'm longing for. Love and riches, love and riches, love and riches, love and riches. Baby, you wanna be more, oh be more if it's for love. I love you, I can marry you. Be better. Baby, look at my heart, you. I love you. kwete. Tomorrow go better, Obi more. Look at the future is brighter. Don't be distracted with what you see today. Makopa kajaja, but tell no man onwaranya meji, echinine buka. Love and riches, some they go for love. You choose to go for riches. You don't see what you do yourself. Love and riches, yeah. Love and riches. She just for what she will eat today alone. Love and riches. She forgot about tomorrow. Love and riches. You have seen that great things don't come. Tomorrow go better, Obi more. Look at the future is brighter. Don't be distracted with what you see today. Makopa kajaja, but tell no man onwaranya meji, echinine buka. Love and riches, some they go for love.